Hello students, in this video we will study about the solutions, how to find the solutions by graphically representation of equations and how to find the solutions with algebraically representation of given equations. Firstly, we find the solutions with the help of algebraically. Now you've seen that these are the general form of equations, linear equations. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and another equation a2x will and b2y plus c2 equal to 0. a1 a2 and b1 b2 are coefficient of x and y. Firstly, when we are given the algebraically equations, general form of equations, firstly we find their coefficients of x and y, then compare their values of a1 upon a2 means coefficient of both equations of x, and b1 upon b2 means coefficient of y. c1 upon c2 is constant term. Firstly, we find all these values of given equations. After that, I made some chart from this table. If we find the when we compare the two equations and coefficient of a1, coefficient of their variables x and y and constant terms, and we find their ratios a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. First coefficient of x means a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, means answer of a1 upon a2 is not equal to answer of b1 upon b2. Then it is said to be that these lines have exactly one solution. And graphically we say that graph of these two lines will be intersecting lines. If coefficient of x means ratio of a1 upon a2, ratio of b1 upon b2 and ratio of c1 upon c2, all these three answers are same, then it is understand that both lines will coincide each other in when we draw the graph, and so we can say that this type of lines have many solutions. Third case, if the coefficient of x and coefficient of y, their ratios are same and the ratio of constant term is different from both these ratios, then it is said to be a no solution, means when we draw the graph of this type of equations, the both lines will may be parallel to each others. When we find the solutions, either one solution, either many solutions, then it is said to be consistent. Consistent means who has solution. No solution means inconsistent. Now with the help of graphically, let us see the graph. When we draw the graph, we found three types of graph. Firstly, if lines will intersect. First, the two lines will intersect at one point. If two lines are intersect at one point, means it is said to be have one solution because there is only one common point. So if the two lines will intersect at one point, then solution, it has unique solution or one solution. If both lines will coincide each other, means there are many points, common points between two lines, so it is said to be many solutions. So it has many solution or infinitely many solution. If in third case, when the lines will not intersect, that is they are parallel. If lines are not intersect in such a way, then they may be parallel. So when lines are parallel means they have no common point. No common point means no solution. So it has no solution. Either one solution, either many solution, then it is said to be consistent. If no solution, then it is said to be inconsistent. These lines are also dependent lines. Now, exercise 3.2, question number 2. On comparing ratios, firstly we compare the ratios, then find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equations intersect at one point, means it is also said to be unique solution. Are parallel means no solution. Coincident means infinitely many solutions. Firstly, compare the values. Now, compare their values with general form of equation a1x b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Second equation is a2x b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Compare with them. These equations are compared with them. Compare with. First equation is compared with first equations. Second equation is compared with the second general form of equation. Here a1, coefficient of x is a1. Here coefficient of x is 5. So we find a1 equal to 5. Similarly b1 equal to, here is 4. Minus is also taken with. So b1 minus 4, c1 is plus 8. Now similarly comparing second equation, a2 equal to 7, b2 equal to 6 and c2, here c1, here c2 equal to minus 9. Now we compare the coefficient of x, y and constant terms. Let us see their ratios. Now find the ratios. a1 upon a2, a1 upon a2 means 5 upon 7. Now b1 upon b2 means minus 4 upon 6. c1 upon c2 means 8 upon minus 9. Now we see that it can also written as it 2 divides 4. Both terms are divided by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So our ratio is minus 2 upon 3. Now let us see, a1 upon a2 is equal to 5 by 7. b1 upon b2 is equal to minus 2 by 3. Both ratios are not same. We see that a1 upon a2 is equal to 5 by 7. b1 upon b2 equal to minus 2 by 3. So 5 by 7 is not equal to minus 2 by 3. So if it implies that a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. If first two ratios are not same, then it is said to be a see from the table. If both ratios are not same, then it is said to be exactly one solution, either unique solution, either intersecting lines at one point. So see the statement. We have to give the answers in these three forms. Equations intersect at one point, are parallel, are coincide. Now in this type of questions, we said that lines will intersect at one point. Lines will intersect at one point. Now question number 2. Let us see statement 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0, 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. Now same compared with general form of equations. Now a1 is 9, b1 is 3, c1 is constant 12. Now in second case a2 is 18, b2 is 6, c2 is 24. Now find the ratios a1 upon a2, 9 upon 18, b1 upon b2, 3 by 6, c1 upon c2, 12 upon 24. 9 1 ja 9 2 ja 18, 1 by 2, 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 6, 12 1 ja 12 2 ja 24. In all these three cases, the ratio of a1 upon a2 is 1 by 2, and b1 upon b2 is also 1 by 2, and c1 upon c2 is also 1 by 2. Means 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. It implies that all ratios are same. If all ratios are same, then it is said to be, it has many solutions, means it is said to be many solutions when graph both lines will coincide each other. So it has, so the lines will coincide each other. So lines will coincide each other. Now question number 3rd. 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Now compare the general form of equations. Compare with, here a1 is coefficient of x means 6, b1 coefficient of y minus 3, c1 coefficient constant term 10. a2 second equation, coefficient of x 2, b2 coefficient of y, there is nothing, then it is understood there is a 1, minus 1, constant term c2 is 9. Now compare their ratios. a1 upon a2 means 6 by 2, our answer is 3 upon 1. b1 upon b2 minus 3 upon minus 1, minus cancel minus, we get the ratio 3 by 1. c1 upon c2 10 by 9. By observing their ratios, we find that first two answers are same, means a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 as not equal to c1 upon c2, because a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2 have answered 3 by 1, 3 by 1, but c1 upon c2 has value 10 upon 9. Means we can say that both first two ratios, answer of first two ratios are same and third ratio is not same. So we can say that it has, these lines have no solutions. These lines have no solution. No solution when occur when both lines are parallel to each other. So the lines will be parallel in third case. Thank you.